Junaid.
Yes, sir.
You are from UP.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me 3 exclusive problems of UP.
Ma'am, the first thing I'll say is the governance part, administration. Law and order issue is a major one, the policing. The second thing I'll say is the rural distress. It is there in the other parts also, but a population of 19 crores and mostly engaged in agriculture. So it has become a major issue there. And the third is the industrial activity, because mineral resources are not there in UP. So electricity and other things are very costly. So business investment is not that much. So because of that, the GDP of UP is not up to its potential. So these are the 3 things which I...
And what do you think about the policy of UP government to have this shooting in the leg?
Encounters? Ma'am, this is a reactive reaction, I'll say, to solve the problem. But according to me, it will not properly solve the problem, because encounters in itself has a negative connotation, that police are killing the criminals. That is not the job of police. Judiciary is there to decide who is right and who is wrong. And Supreme Court has given certain guidelines in encounters. So that need to be taken care of, and more focus should be there on the community policing, which is an essential part of police, rather than killing the criminals. So that will help in improving the scenario.
Okay. What is the sex ratio of Uttar Pradesh?
919.
919
per 1,000 men. 919 girls per 1,000.
It's of complete India or UP?
940 is of India. 940 women per 1,000 men. In UP is 919, as far as I remember.
Okay. And what about in Muslim community?
Sorry, ma'am.
You're not aware? Okay. Do you think that India is becoming intolerant?
No, ma'am, I'll not say intolerant. I'll say because of the huge diversity and pluralism which is there in India, there is always a conflict of ideas. We can see from history to medieval to the present times. So these ideas, when they are in conflict, they show up as if there is some kind of intolerance. But this is the richness of India, that conflicting ideas are there. And I read one quote that in India it is never about the choice between chaos and stability. It is always about manageable and unmanageable chaos. So our chaos is very much manageable.
Okay. So you, as an electronics engineer, tell me, what are the effects of solar flares on communication gadgets?
So, ma'am, the telecommunication system which is there, the solar flares, they affect this system. The navigation satellites which are there, this get impacted, and also the animals, their navigation. Why
does it affect?
The frequencies on which they work upon, they get they get affected because of the solar flares.
Okay.
That's what.
What books do you read?
Non-fiction I've written recently.
Tell me some names of some books.
Ma'am, recently I read Men's Search for Meaning in Life. It was about a doctor who was in the Nazi camp and how he survived that camp and how he helped the people there. Viktor Frankl. Then Money and Muscle Power in Indian Politics. It was written by Milan Vaishnav.
Okay.
It was about how crime is paying up in Indian politics. Then I also read this Professor Kancha Elaya's few books created controversy in Delhi University. Why I'm Not a Hindu, Buffalo Nationalism. So the Dalit literature, he gave a very good perspective. So I completed those books.
Okay. Thank you, Junaid.